Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer business bank accounts from Bank of America to BlueVine. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your need to transfer from Bank of America to BlueVine. First, research BlueVine's account offerings to ensure they meet your business needs. Gather all necessary documents such as your business registration, tax ID, and personal identification. Next, open a BlueVine account online. Complete the online application by providing your business details and uploading the required documents. Once your account is set up, make a note of your new BlueVine account number. Log into your Bank of America online banking account. Locate the option to initiate transfers or to set up a new account. From here, decide how much money you want to transfer to your new BlueVine account. Initiate the transfer, ensuring that you input your new account number correctly. Check for any transfer limits or fees associated with this transaction. Monitor the transfer progress through both your Bank of America and BlueVine accounts. Once the funds are successfully transferred, verify that the amount matches your expectations. Update any automated payments or direct deposits with your new BlueVine account information. Notify clients, vendors, and any business partners of your new banking details. Keep your Bank of America account open for a transitional period to manage any outstanding transactions. After a month or two, consider closing your Bank of America account if no pending issues remain. Document the closure of your old account for your records. Ensure that all business financial records reflect your new banking situation moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.